Get excited about the 2020 Toyota Tundra. It features an automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, front and rear reading lights, a trip computer, an automatic dimming rear view mirror, heated door mirrors, remote keyless entry, a trailer hitch, and cruise control. Premium sound drives 9 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Toyota also prioritized safety and security by including dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a panic alarm, an emergency communication system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Various mechanical systems are monitored by electronic stability control, keeping you on your intended path. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.